त्रिपाठी, केपी सिंह देव स्टेट मिनिस्टर रक्षा मंत्री, उन्होंने 84 रिकमेंडेशन की थी रिगार्डिंग सब इशू के लिए, रीसेटलमेंट, पेंशन, वार विडो, पेंशन, उसका क्या हुआ? उसमें करोड़ों रुपए खर्च हुए थे। नो स्टेट के चीफ मिनिस्टर थे। उसके बाद मदन लाल खुराना जी स्टैंडिंग कमेटी के थे। रुपये उसके लिए कितने करोड़ रुपए एससी के लिए?
सर जो मेन मुद्दा है ना उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, जो आपको जो कंसर्न करे, क्योंकि वही अभी हम लोग उसी के नोट्स बना रहे हैं।
हमें यहाँ जो बात कर रहे हैं, अभी बात हो रही थी कि मेजर जनरल की ये पेंशन, लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल की पेंशन की, मैं उसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ। एक बच्चा गर्भ में है, एक बच्चा 2 साल का, एक बच्चा 2.5 साल का, ही डाइड इन वार, उसकी फैमिली की पेंशन नहीं बढ़ी है।
अभी हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, जो भी आपका मुद्दा है वो आप लिख के दे दीजिए। One second.
So many times.
नहीं, अभी see, we are
only what solution is here.
we are trying to do is make a list of all the grievances which are there, and for Mr. Chandrasekhar, आपके जो भी दो 3-4 पॉइंट जो है वो अभी लिखिएगा और अभी दीजिएगा। ये आज शाम से ये बोल रहे हैं वो हाईलाइट करेंगे। जो आप बोल रहे हैं जूनियर कमीशन ऑफिसर्स,
Forces personnel cannot be looked after until unless there should be compulsory service for politicians 5 years in defense. There should be on board and higher. Secondly, all bureaucrats after training, on completion of their training, they should be posted 1 year in Siachen Glacier and 1 year on board ship submarine. Then only they will come to know what is the problem of defense personnel.
Okay, excuse me, please. Mr. Chandrasekhar has to leave. He has to go to Parliament. There is a very important bill there.
Just hear me out, sir. Since this issue of major's pension has been raised, Ajay Vikram Singh report pay and pension of full colonel. All those below that, be it major, be it lieutenant colonel time scale, be it lieutenant colonel selection grade.
Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but Rajiv needs to leave.
I'll just say something.
We will continue this discussion.
No, this point has to be written over there.
Right. So what we are going to do
So
right
we are
after
taking up this issue with the government.
Yeah,
So
what we
that
are going to do right after he leaves is we're going to put 4-5 points down.
Yeah.
And those will be then given to him.
Committee, whosoever is going to form the committee, we should list the names of those members.
So we'll do that. We'll do that. I think.
I'm not required for that.
Yeah, we will do it today.
No, I would stay here for another hour. Unfortunately,
एक मिनट please सुनिएगा please.
I have moved some amendments to this Telangana.
I understand.
Sir please एक मिनट.
I'll go if you don't mind. But I assure you that I will sit with you, stand with you, whatever it is reference you want to make, till this is taken to its process of natural finality. Either people have to stand up and say we are not doing it, or they have to stand up and say we are doing it on the basis that is right,
Honestly.
and honest and transparent. So we will work on that, and we will work together. I think we've been very effective working together. With my 5 cents and your 95 cents, we worked good as a combination. So we just need to do the next 50% of this. And I think even on the voting rights, for example, we've moved quite a bit. The Chief Election Commissioner is now sensitive to the fact that this is an issue that needs to be addressed.
Because of that only we got this.
Yeah, exactly. So sometimes it's good to be a vote bank.
Rajiv, we just want to personally, profusely thank you, number one. Number two, there is a today for everyone, please tell everybody there also, Frontline, today's publication carries 6 articles on defense services, right? Purnima is just parking her car, who's published this. She's coming and delivering the hard copies, few of them. So please ask everyone to read. It is eye-opener.
I met Purnima, yes.
Eye-opener.
Yes, very good.
Purnima Tripathi.
Right.
So if you can excuse me, I'll...
So we must thank you.
Thank you so much for.
Before we get up from here, I think we have to know what we are talking about. The 2 aspects that have been discussed. One is the one rank one pension. That's a separate proposition. Then improvement in pension. A lot of points have been there about improvement in pension. That has to be done separately. First principle is to get one rank one pension through. Once that is through, then we are tackling those principles, other points also side by side, but they are not to be mixed with this. That's my suggestion to you.
Right.
Countering the opening, then it has to be mixed. Anjit, please, let's not confuse the issue. One rank, one pension, one rank, one pension. I'm not in agreement with you.
Okay,
No, I don't agree with you.
let's, okay.
You have been not
Of Honor Foundation as well as Rajiv Chandrasekhar. So if you could, I don't know how we should structure that. You have so much more experience than I do.
May I not make one point? The focus of today's seminar is one rank, one pension. Absolutely. That is our bellwether demand. One good way experience shows of killing the main issue is by mixing up. I agree with Kalindarji. If you mix up too many issues, then the main site will be lost.
Yep.
I will support what Colonel Satwant says and what Brigadier Mahalingam says. The Parliament has been told that one rank, one pension has been accepted. Nobody is doubting its definition. It has two parts. One, what we... Now, how much money will be required? I don't think we are even qualified to work that out. I'll tell you why. We're all talking of 500, 1700, 2000. None of these figures is correct. If you take a broad brush treatment, I will tell you the figures that I have broadly. When 2006 came and the Sixth Pay Commission was implemented, the difference in pension between an old Sipahi of 15 years service group Y, they formed the majority, it was 81%. When they gave the first increment, so let us not quote 1700 or 23, we are getting into minefield.
Chandrasekhar ko denge. So how do we structure that? So who would like to take the initiative of forming that committee so that it has all the voice? All right.
I come next.
कमेटी का नाम कौन लिख रहा है साहब?
कमेटी में सर लिख रहे हैं, आप आइए बैठिए।
सतपीर साहब लिख रहे हैं। सतपीर साहब तो मेरे को एक्चुअली में नहीं मान रहे यार।
अरे याद रहे ना आपको सर।
वो सब बात शरान
ये दोनों चीजें ऐसा नहीं
डॉक्यूमेंट
सर वन मिनट
में मैसेज दिया मैं एक्चुअली में नहीं हूँ। शांत रहिए प्लीज शांत रहिए
सर 1 मिनट कमेटी नहीं है सर
सुनिए एक मिनट 2 मिनट सुनिए राइट वी आर ए 95% JSUR
सर ऐसा है
समस्या
आप एक काम करिए ना
इसकी संस्था में 100% ऑफिसर है
एक काम करिए
और कोर्ट के अंदर भी जजमेंट है JSUR को आने नहीं देना चाहते नहीं
सर एक सेकंड सर एक सेकंड प्लीज एक मिनट
सॉरी सर मैं आपको ये कह दूं आप पाकिस्तान से मुशर्रफ के भेजे हुए
सर ऐसा है प्लीज आप लोग
आपका क्या बीतेगा ये आस्किंग ए वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन मैं आपको ईमेल ग्रुप पूरे इंडिया में मुझसे सहगल को मुशर्रफ ने भेजा है वो उसका एजेंडा ICI का
मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है सर ओके sorry I don't have a gavel but
We have to take note of it and act accordingly.
Okay, hello.
आपका जो भी मुद्दा है उसको पूरा डालेंगे
Hello. Please friends, please.
आप प्लीज सर बैठिए
आज just once again.
ओके क्वाइट let's look at it from a point of view
हमेशा बात सुनते हैं हम तो टच करते हैं इनके साथ
Just please, friends, please. Let us reach.
ठीक तरह से बात करिए एक दूसरे को गाली निकालने से कोई फायदा नहीं होगा
Okay, friends.
सर आपने जो मुद्दे आपने
पूछा गया only you are talking about
Sir,
officers
no
you are not talking about five
no the 5 points will have that point that will have that point
or these people general General Sadia sir and Major General Sudhir Singh
have given so many notice to you.
No.
Nobody is listening about us.
Sir, I've tried my best to make everybody speak. नहीं सर,
हम लोग कर रहे हैं हमारे
सर आप अपने पॉइंट्स भी लिखिए. Sir, please, why don't you also coordinate along with the general and everybody else who we need 5 पॉइंट चाहिए हमें, 4 पॉइंट चाहिए. आप वो लिख दीजिए अभी और आप दे दीजिए, वो इनकॉर्पोरेट हो जाएंगे. उसमें कोई बस कमेटी को छोड़िए सर, कमेटी को छोड़िए. 4 पॉइंट डालते हैं हम लोग, 4-5 मुद्दे डालते हैं. बस कमेटी को छोड़िए, 5 पॉइंट डालते हैं हम लोग, 5 मुद्दे डालते हैं जो राजीव चंद्रशेखर आगे ले जाएंगे आप लोगों की सहायता के साथ. ठीक है, so let us just do that. Brigadier Bhagwat, if you can facilitate that, I think that would be the best.
How does it let
them give their points, we collate it and that's right, let's forget the committee, let's come up with 4 I tried to sum it up. Lost in translation or translation. Alright, there is lunch and all that.
मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ, ये जो
सर एक मिनट
वन रैंक वन पेंशन मिलेगी.
45%. नहीं 100%. हमारी बेसिक पे नहीं बढ़ेगी पहले बात तो. एक
Good afternoon, everybody. I think we are all people here from the decorated army, whether we are other ranks or officers. I think we are the people who teach the whole country discipline and voicing together. We may have our differences, we can sit and resolve them, but if we make this a Rajya Sabha and a Lok Sabha forum, we have people who are sitting here, who are from the media, we have to set standards for the country. So gentlemen, I request all of you, so let's sit together and come to a resolve. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I also want to introduce you all to Ms. Purnima, who's come from Frontline, and she has been responsible for writing articles and articles about us, our issues, our problems. We all are dealing with them. We have to come together and
I think now we need to focus on the job which is done.
Please be seated, gentlemen. Please be seated.
Please बैठ जाइए सब. Please take a seat, sir.
The requirement is very simple. We at least put the caution in the mind of the decision makers. And I would request if instead of discussing, let's jot down the points. Maybe there will be 15 or more to start with, and then rule out the points which are either repeat or not relevant.
Okay.
So I would suggest can we start one by one, sir, rather than just separately, whoever has got a louder voice, getting one, I don't think that helps. So may I request the barrister to kindly your point?
Basically, the first point is that we are happy that the government has finally accepted one rank, one pension as a principle. That is the first point. And now we would like this to be executed in letter and spirit and with full honesty. Thereafter, the detailed points can be given by Sabir and
So I would like to say that whatever committee we make, we should make a committee that whenever whosoever is responsible for notification and writing the final order, we should be consulted in it. Our committee should see that it is as per the letter and spirit and as per the definition promoted by the accepted agency.
Okay, the points जो अगर आप सब समझो तो सबसे पहले तो हमें ये कहना दे रखी है that should be the definition.
Correct.
नंबर 2, जितने रैंक्स हैं सिपाही से लेकर चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ तक उनको अच्छा नहीं अपडेट करो 1 अप्रैल 2014 तक. Update all pensions from 1/1/2006 to 1/4/2014.
It's from 2000.
6 pay commission started from 1/1/2006. All ranks, Sipahi to Chief. And then give that all old pensioners, whosoever is living today, starting from 1930 onward till date. So they should get that. There's a second we should do. Thirdly, whatever it amounts to any finances should be worked out by them and not by us. How much it will, itna denge, itna nahi denge. It means if this should be agreed to and the complete amount should be one go given.
Yeah, we don't want piecemeal.
We don't want any piecemeal application. आज जेसीओ को दे दिया, जवान को छोड़ दिया, जवान को दे दिया, अफसर को छोड़ दिया, अफसर को दे दिया, जवान को छोड़ दिया. ये जो है नहीं होना चाहिए. अच्छा, ये थर्ड पॉइंट हो गया आपका. चौथा, it should be executed as fast as possible. The instructions when they make it should be time bound execution, not later than 6 months. I say execution. Okay, 3 months.
after that.
1st April.
After the notification.
Now, 1st April. Now the updating of this. Next is, gentlemen, just 1 second. Next is updating this continue. This should be a next point. It should be a dynamical formula which is available. We can give it. Every year, like anything happens. Now, otherwise, what will happen? After 2 years, again the senior will start drawing less. The next target which we should say definitely that no senior, whether he is a last naik or he is a lieutenant general, should draw less than his junior at any time. Any senior should never draw less than his